Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use this programmable button on your Marshall Heston 6. So here we are now in the application. This application is called Marshall. So what you need to do at first is to play any music you just want. It can be either the radio station or anything like that. So as you can see here, I've got the Bluetooth now set as the source. So let me here quickly lower the volume level because of the copyrights. And now here, as you can see, you've got presets, preset 1. Now you need to play anything, or either on Spotify or some radio station or anything else. Now it's being played. We can go back, go to presets, here to preset 1. And now, why doesn't it work? Presets, preset 1. Okay, something is wrong. Let me quickly fix that. Presets, preset 1. Okay, so we'll try a different way. If it doesn't want to work like this, you need to here tap Internet Radio. Tap, for example, local stations, select some radio station, but I need to at first lower the sound level to 0 because of the copyright. Internet radio, local stations, for example, this one. Now here it is, and now you can go back, tap this presets, tap this preset 1 and tap save. Now let's completely turn off our application. Here, switch to Bluetooth, play our music on our speaker, and now if we click our programmable button, but if we enter our application first, you can see that we will switch to our radio. That's how it works. Goodbye.